Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Let me put y'all onto these easy holiday turkey wings, y'all. They have been marinated and they are fall off the bone tender, y'all. This recipe is absolutely delicious. You are not going to want to miss this. Let me show you guys how it all started. Okay, y'all, so I already cleaned and cut my turkey wings, and I pretty much just separated the drum from the wing part, and I laid them down in an aluminum pan, y'all, because let me tell you, we are not doing dishes, okay? So we are keeping it quick and easy and packed with flavor. Let me show you guys which seasoning we're using today. Okay, we have some olive oil here. We have garlic powder, onion powder. You gotta have that poultry seasoning. You can't skip that. Rosemary, we have thyme, lemon pepper, and we also have some Lawry's seasoning salt. So let's talk about the real MVP in this recipe, y'all. This right here is the matchmaker, okay? This is that smooth talker that's gonna make that seasoning and those turkey wings fall head over heels, y'all. Once that oil hit, everybody is just gonna start vibing together. Now it's time to season up, y'all. This is where all that flavor come in, y'all. And remember, don't be afraid to season your meat. We not eating any plain turkey wings over here, okay? No measuring cups, just vibes, y'all. Season till your spirit says stop. Now this part always make me happy, y'all. It's like dressing them up for the holidays, okay? It's like the poultry seasoning along with everything else is just gonna give that cozy, warm feeling, that feeling of comfort during the holidays. You want these turkey wings seasoned down, y'all, okay? You want them glistening and ready to soak up all that flavor overnight. So when you take your time and mix them right, you're gonna taste that love in every bite, y'all. Guaranteed. Okay, now it's time to line them up in the pan, y'all. Just line them up side by side so they all marinate evenly. Y'all, we dressed them up real nice for the holidays, okay? This overnight marination is gonna pull everything through, y'all. It's gonna pull all those flavors in, okay? So when they hit that oven tomorrow, they're gonna be something serious, y'all. That's the secret to that deep seasoned flavor that you want. You want all that seasoning to sink in while they rest overnight, y'all. Trust me, they are going to be absolutely delicious.
"24 hours later."
We're back and it's the next day, y'all. So I just took the turkey wings out of the refrigerator. They've been marinating overnight, and y'all, they smell amazing already. So at this point, you want to go ahead and preheat your oven to 350 degrees. And we are going to go ahead and build that flavor base, y'all. Let me tell you, this flavor base is going to be hitting. So I'm adding some onions and some peppers to the top of these wings. That's going to help season up that broth, and it's going to give you that really nice aroma while they're cooking in the oven. Now I'm adding just a little bit of water to our pan, y'all. As you can see, I'm not pouring it on top of the turkey wings. I'm adding just enough to the corners of the pan, just enough to coat the bottom, okay? We're not drowning the turkey wings in water. The turkey wings is going to pretty much make its own juice. We're just adding the extra water so that we can have a little added moisture to the pan, and it's going to help build that broth that you need to help keep the turkey wings juicy during the cooking process. So as these wings bake, I'm going to baste them periodically with that broth. That broth is going to make these turkey wings tender and fall off the bone delicious. Next, you want to make sure your turkey wings are covered nice and tight with some aluminum foil. This is very important, y'all, because you want to trap in all that steam from the turkey wings, because you need that steam, because you need it for the moisture, and you need that to help those turkey wings tenderize while they're cooking in the oven. So that's why the aluminum foil is very important. So make sure it's sealed good and let the oven do the rest.
1 hour later.
Okay, so after about an hour, you want to come back and check on your turkey wings, see how they're doing. So if they still look a little pale like this, do not be alarmed. That's fine. It's normal. They are baking slow, y'all, okay? This is actually the first check. So what you want to do is you want to go ahead, you want to get that spoon, and you want to start basting these wings, okay? Now, I should have a baster. That would be easier. If you have a turkey baster or something like that, that would be even better so that you could just suction the broth and pour it over your meat. But I don't have one. I do. I just didn't feel like looking for it. But use what you got, y'all. Use what you got as long as you get it done, okay? Now make sure after you baste your turkey wings, you put that foil right back on, okay? Put it right back on and put it right back in the oven. Now, just so you know, I basted my turkey wings about a few times throughout the cooking process, and these turkey wings baked slow on that 350-degree mark for about 2 hours, y'all. So they're coming along. This is how they're coming along. Looking nice, looking good and juicy. And I'm going in with that next base. This is just routine, y'all. You got to make it a routine. You cannot miss this part. You know how sometimes you ate turkey wings and be super dry? This is why they're not basting it. Just make sure you baste those wings. So after a few rounds of basting, make sure you put those turkey wings in the oven without foil for the last round. And this is why. You want the skin to get nice and brown on top. Your turkey wings should be looking golden, juicy. They should be glistening with all that good old delicious broth. Absolutely delicious. And it smells amazing in here, y'all. Just look at these holiday turkey wings, y'all. Fall off the bone, delicious. Golden, brown, juicy. Just look at that. That overnight marinade did exactly what it was supposed to do. Every bite is full of flavor, perfectly seasoned with just the right balance. You're gonna love just sucking the meat right off the bones, y'all. This right here is that cozy holiday meal without all the stress of cooking a whole turkey. So if you don't feel like wrestling with that big bird this Thanksgiving and Christmas, y'all, this is your shortcut to that turkey love, just in half the time. Anyone can make this. I hope you all take care, be blessed, and stay safe, guys. Bye.